Economic justice can be elusive, especially in a place like Mississippi. But here, in our nation's poorest state, nonprofits are working in partnership with the communities they serve, and they're creating real, meaningful change. These organizations and initiatives provide models for improving the lives of women and vulnerable children.
My name is Carol Burnett, and I am the Executive Director of Moore Community House and the Mississippi Low-Income Child Care Initiative. Moore Community House was founded in 1924. It's a direct service organization that has operated in East Biloxi for a very long time. It was founded by United Methodist women who are very concerned to address the needs of low-income women and very young children. And in Moore Community House's history, especially during the 22-year history that I've been part of, Moore has chosen to respond to the needs of that population in East Biloxi by offering subsidized early childhood education for young children. The Mississippi Low-Income Child Care Initiative actually started as a project of Moore Community House. At Moore, we were providing subsidized child care for low-income families, and we learned the policy obstacles that low-income families had to navigate in order to access the assistance that was available to help them pay for the cost of child care, which is very expensive. And so Moore Community House opted to become engaged in advocacy to try to change the policies to make it easier for parents to get the help they needed, and easier for the providers trying to make the service available to do the service in the way that children need it to be done, to be quality early childhood education. And so the Low-Income Child Care Initiative became an independent nonprofit organization, and since it was founded in 1998, we have been working in basically 3 areas to try to improve the quality of the early childhood education experience that poor and low-income children receive all across the state, to help parents afford the cost and providers have the revenue that they need to provide the quality early childhood education experience, and to build a grassroots effort across the state to promote an improvement in circumstances for low-income families who live in Mississippi. It's interesting because there is a lot of public support for the notion that young children need quality early childhood education in order to go to school ready to learn, in order to win the long-term benefits that everyone acknowledges are there for children who get the quality early childhood education they need. But when you start talking about using public funds to help low-income parents pay the cost of that service, the public support falls off. So convincing the public that there is a role for all of us to play in helping young children get that early experience they need and that they benefit from, but we all benefit from, is a big challenge.